Hey guys, Sanborn. One thing that I've noticed about South Africans is that we love television love. We love TV relationships. Like we love watching couples on TV loving each other. But this one relationship that I noticed with akho muntu onendaba naye I'm confused ukuthi kwenzakala nga relationship kanti why does everyone hate it so much if kuwuthi siyayizonda angazi. And that relationship is Portia and Mawethu relationship, and I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before we start with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Let us quickly get into it. Now naziphila iy'ngane ziyi-2 ziqala ngathi ziyadlala, they are varsity friends, ziyazidlalela, and then they fell in love with each other. You can tell now ukuthi uMawethu is fully in. And one thing that I love about uMawethu is that he's handsome, good looking and everything. But akayiyona lento le wonke umuntu abade expectile, because back when he was in a relationship with Zoleka, wonke umuntu was like, this one is a player, he's a bad idea, uqhawe akumelanga ajole naye. But wasiphoxa sonke because he loved uqhawe to the fullest. Wabuya after that, after ethande uqhawe, manje ula kule ntombazane leyo. You can tell ukuthi he's only focused on this girl. Nakuzoleka, back when he was dating uZoleka, you could tell ukuthi he was not kuleya nto leyana of I'm smashing her. Like he was in love. You could tell ukuthi this guy is a lover. So he's representing her as guys, usirepresenta kahle. In fact, wonke amajidi enza le nto lena hayi le nto la mantombazane ngicabanga ukuthi siyayenza. So now he's starting a relationship nale ntombazane le uPortia, and you can tell the guy is more in love with uPortia more than uPortia is in love. uPortia uzelela ngithi angizodlalela nje, I'm just having fun, but uyayibona intwana ukuthi isemathandweni ngempela. And what I'm noticing about people is that abantu abayingeni yonke le nto le. After each and every episode, so I go on Twitter to check ukuthi abantu bathini, even on Facebook to check ukuthi abantu bathini about episode yenimba. But angijwayelanga ukubona abantu bekhuluma about this relationship. It's either khulunywa ngoZethu, it's either khulunywa ngo like Bazande, uZoleka, uLazarus. Akho umuntu ukhuluma le relationship, and I'm like, guys, do you not see this beautiful thing that is building in here? Angazi kodwa mhlambe mina I'm thinking ukuthi le ntombazane lena will play uMawethu, and uMawethu will end up being heartbroken. Angazi, because I stopped watching teasers, so I don't know the relationship plays for me. And I wanted you guys to engage on this one. What do you think about this? Ngabe nizibele relationship ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi it's not a good idea, or angazi what is wrong, what is lacking in it, because chemistry is there. These guys are funny, like it's enjoyable watching them. So comment there, guys, in the comment section, share your thoughts, share your opinions, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.